What is going on YouTube? This video, what I'm going to be doing is going through quite a few items that I have been sent in from a retailer called Luisa Via Roma, who are based over in Italy. In particular, in this video, I'm going to be doing a try on and see what they are saying. Luisa Via Roma are currently doing 15% off selected items from their new season selections as well. Without further ado, I'm going to crack straight onto this video. I've got a whole bunch of different brands here, Stone Island, Palm Angels, but I've also got some undercover brands as well that you may not have heard of. Try and give you some inspiration for this winter season. Okay guys, let's get into it. First item I want to talk about is by a brand called Front Street 8, which is based over in Italy. It's made from 100% wool and it's got this double-breasted feature that goes at the top of the jacket. It's grey at the top and blue at the bottom, and I think it goes well with this Moncler Grenoble sweatshirt underneath. Me, I do kind of like baseball caps myself, and my hair's kind of messy lately, so I've been wearing a lot of baseball caps because I've been too lazy to get down to the barbers, but that's another story. Present are quite good for stuff like denim jeans, sweatshirts, t-shirts, because they're really good quality. Jacket definitely brings that kind of smartness into the look. I don't usually do logos too much myself these days, but I think for more maybe younger guys or guys that are into the logos, then something like this could be good. And then the look just kind of looks like, well, as I said, smart casual really. Belstaff, APC, and also this Moncler beanie hat, which I really like. The badge on this one is like the same color as the hat, and also a pair of Represent denim jeans. Oversized scarf for me really adds to the outfit. Like the way that it looks and my shoulder, and it really kind of adds this dimension to the outfit. Underneath we have the Belstaff heavy fleeced sweater with the zip. It's got a pocket here on the side, Belstaff badge on the side as you can see there, and this is quite a thick fleece material on the outside, Sherpa type material, which is really nice. Line zips with some nylon fabric pocket on the side there. And if I open this up, on the inside it's really well finished. I would say the quality on this one is actually really good. Quite an underestimated brand, and I think people should probably look into Belstaff a little bit more. Their sweats, jumpers, knits, especially their outerwear stuff is really good. So the next outfit I'm going for is the Front Street 8 wool jacket with the Ami underneath and the same Represent jeans. CP Company balaclava, which I'm currently wearing, almost like a smooth style. Although this will be a difficult one to rock for some, I would actually rock this when it gets really cold. Now this is going to be a difficult piece to pull off for some people. Kind of reminds me of Kenny from South Park, especially when I pull inside fabric up, which kind of covers the mouth and the nose like that. But you know what? I actually really like this piece, and if it was cold, I would really rock it. Masks being much more acceptable and people covering their faces, this could actually be quite an interesting piece, this one. So obviously this is more of a streetwear style. Then we've got the Ami underneath, which is an oversized sweater, and these fitted jeans right here. Smart jacket like this, I think it can really make a nice cool look. Now this really is kind of oversized, more of a boxy fit. That's exactly what kind of Ami specialize in, is this kind of oversized, relaxed comfort fit. Their new logo as well, which they kind of introduced over the last 2 or 3 years, I think is really a nice touch. The next item that I want to show you, this Stone Island dust treatment sweater, which has actually been released before in the past, but this is kind of like I guess a modern version. In terms of this being a collector's piece, the previous dust treatment jumper was very sought after. It sold out quite quick. It was available in a knit and a sweater, and I think a t-shirt it was also available in as well. One thing I would say is it's quite difficult to pull off. I think you've got to be quite a little bit confident to rock this one, but it's a difficult one to pull off. Something that I do tend to do quite a bit sometimes is rock tracksuits like this with a bit of a smarter jacket like this, something that's a little bit long, a double-breasted smart jacket. Say this is something which is more of a kind of dressed down, low-key, casual look. It's my final piece that I wanted to show you. Arc'teryx, kind of look into their background, they are just up there in terms of their outerwear design. They're like Canada Goose in terms of them having their own kind of fabrics and materials and stuff like that. But I thought I'd cover it. I've got this lightweight jacket which is water resistant, down insulated. It's got some nice technology within this jacket. That's the logo right there, as you can see. Really comfortable and warm on, and even though this jacket is quite lightweight, extremely warm. Like even just wearing it with this tracksuit underneath, I can really feel the warmth from insulation on this jacket. Pockets are also fleeced as well, so if you get a bit cold, just put your hands in there and kind of rub them around and they should get warm. People who are looking at the Canada Goose Lodge jacket, this could be a good kind of lightweight alternative. Stone Island beanie hat. Now, one thing I would say is the quality of this beanie hat is actually really nice, but I found it a little bit of a difficult wear because I don't know. I found it a little bit weird, to be honest. I found this one really awkward to wear. I mean, I wasn't too sure about this one. I mean, this hole is way too small. But one thing I would say is the materials actually look quite good. Nice in terms of the aesthetic, but actually on, I'm not actually sure. It's just a bit too, the hole's just a bit too small. I much prefer the CP company. So guys, that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it useful. If you need any more information about all of these items in the video, go down to the description box below and I'll put a whole bunch of links down there so you can check out each and every one of these items. Louisa Via Roma are doing 15% off selected new season items. I'll put those codes in the description box and a link taking you straight to the website. I want to say a super big thanks for Louisa Via Roma for sponsoring this video and sending all these items. If you have any questions and if you need any more information about clothing, just leave some comments in the comments box below or DM us on Instagram and I will respond to all of our followers and members, well, as much as I can on there, okay? I'm out of here, lots more coming, peace out.